Welcome back class. Today's topic is electric dipole and electric dipole moment. So first of all, let us discuss what is electric dipole. So electric dipole is a kind of system where two equal and opposite charges are placed with a very small distances. You can see here the plus q and the minus q, two charges are separated by a distance 2l, but here the condition is 2l should be a very small. So this arrangement is called a electric dipole. For example, you know that the H2O is also the polar solvent because of the oxygen has the more electronegative than hydrogen. That is why it is a delta minus and delta plus charges arise. Similarly, in the HCl, the chlorine is more electronegative. That is why there is a delta minus and delta plus charges arise on the Cl and H respectively. So these are the examples of the electric dipole. So in the book the definition is given: the electric dipole is a pair of equal and opposite charges separated by a very small distance. So I already explained that. Another term is electric dipole moment. It is a very important term which is explain the characteristic of a dipole. Electric dipole moment is the magnitude of electric dipole moment is the product of the magnitude of either charge and the distance between the two charges. That means here, and it is denoted by the P. So you can see here it is the product of the magnitude of the either charge, minus q and plus q. These are the two charges and the magnitude of one of them. Simply I am considering this is a q and multiply with the separation between them, which is the 2l. So here see that q into 2l is the magnitude of the electric dipole moment. But you can see here there is an arrow is marked on the P. That means electric dipole moment is a vector quantity. So if it is a vector quantity, then what is the direction of the electric dipole moment? So the direction of the electric dipole moment, you can see in the figure, it always from minus charge to plus q charge. That is why see that direction is given from minus q charge to plus q charge. So the direction of the electric dipole moment always from negative charge to positive charge. So next topic is what is the unit of electric dipole moment. So from the formula you can find that P is equal to Q into 2L. So Q can be expressed in the coulomb and 2L is the basically the separation between the charges, which can be expressed in the meter in the MK system. So the unit will be coulomb into meter. So the unit of electric dipole moment is coulomb meter. Let us also discuss what is the dimension of the electric dipole moment. So you know the unit is coulomb meter. So coulomb can be expressed, coulomb meter can be expressed here. Coulomb is Q is equal to IT. So you can write for the dimension for the coulomb is A into T. So that is the dimension for the coulomb, and for the meter you know that it is L. So this is your dimension. So after simplification you will get m to the power 0, L to the power 1, T to the power 1 and A. So this is the dimension for the electric dipole moment. I hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubt, you should mention in the comment section. Thank you.